drink water, but not sitting on the chair like this, but sitting in Kibadachi. Opening the water bottle, slowly, locking it up, keeping it down without moving this stance. Then coming back and Kibata, sit in now. Right? This is to make use of your lower body. And there should not be any need for a chair. If you want to sit for 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 20 seconds, you should be able to sit in Kibadachi. So let's try this. You can take it as a game, but I take it as a strengthening exercise. Come on, let's try. Ready? Right? You're sitting like this. And suddenly you face an attack. Somebody coming to grab your shirt. Okay, each. Here. So if you get confused, what will you do? If you're not strong on your legs. So in case if something comes like this, okay, you're relaxing and somebody comes in. Okay, so you should be able to palm. First ready, palm. Ready, okay? To strike in this position. Or else you'll not be able to strike because you're always relaxed. So a tense strike. Very, very important for that position. So you need to be ready at all times. Okay, each, come on, suddenly, Kibadachi. Very good. Very nice. Knee, come on, squeeze. Very good. And sit down. Okay. But now we change the game. Okay, what we do is, each count, Kibadachi. Each, Kibadachi. Now what we do is, Urazuki. Yes, knee, Urazuki. Sam. And squeeze and relax. Wow, that's it. That's it. Okay, now we relax on the chair. Okay, don't get up. Karate on chair. As we have training in offices for yoga and what all exercises. So let's do karate on a chair. Left hand out, back straight. Hai Chokuzuki, straight punch. Each. Knee. Hold the floor, hold your grip strong. Knee. Sam. Chi. Go. Root. See. Heart. Cute. Two. Now. Okay. Both the hands in front. Now, Uraken, hitting with the back fist, hitting with the knuckle, the second knuckle. Okay. Each. Knee, come on. Sam. Chi. Go. Rook. Siege. Heart. Q. Two. I went down. Uraken on the side. Back fist towards the side. Okay. With the right hand, that is Migi. Migi Yoko Uraken. Right hand, sideways, Uraken Uchi. Each. Hidari Yoko Uraken. Knee. Sam. Chi. Go. Rook. Come on. Six. Heart. Q. Two. Hai Taisho out. Gedan Barai now. Each. Knee. Sam. Chi. Go. Rook. Six. Heart. Q. Two. Hi, Gedan Barai Chokuzuki combination. First Gedan Barai, then Chokuzuki. Each. Come on. 1, 2. Knee. Come on. 1, 2. Sam. Chi. Come on. Go. Rook. Look straight. See. Look straight. Arch. Q. 2. Gedan Barai. Use your right leg as a base to kick. Gedan Giri with the left leg. Knee. Boom. Boom. Leg back. Sam. Chi, come on! Go! Rook! Six, come on! Heart! Q! Two! Hi, yummy! Relax. And there is something which comes on your way. Imagine somebody is playing football and you are sitting near the ground and suddenly you realize that ball is coming, boom! Bam! If you don't move, you get hit. Okay, and nothing comes in your mind because there's no training for that. So you need to have a training for that, right? You need to program your mind to take on things which come suddenly. So you're sitting on a chair, how you do? If you go this way, still you will be hurt. So what we do is from here, just move out, right? As much as you can. This is nothing but in kata, henpi, okay? Your kata teaches you everything. So let's try. Sitting here, you're relaxed. You just move on one side, but not only in your stance, but also carrying the upper body and one side, moving out. Right? Moving out, one side, and coming back. The second out, moving out, one side. Try to evade an attack which comes on your way. For example, watch this. Come on. Imagine a Garizaki. Huh? Okay. Each. Ooh. Oh, on the face. Each. Freeze, not to move anywhere. Okay. Imagine this attack happening. Each, move up, move down here, and boom here. Imagine what can happen. Okay? Sorry, by mistake I hit her. Okay? Maybe today night I don't have dinner. Okay, fine, ready. Okay, so watch this. Gagsugi, each, boom. Okay? In order to avoid this, right? You can block each. You can block, but imagine your hand is hurt. You cannot use your hand. Each, boom out. You're out. Evade. Okay? The second thing important. Yeah, here on the temper. Understand? Hand here. Tate. So here in the stomach. You getting it? So all these are enormous possibilities in your karate. You can do that. And what we do here is taking initiative as soon as the attack happens. So go no sen. You're here, you move on the side, and use this hand to strike. And move